What if your dream home could be delivered on a truck, unfold in just a few hours, and be ready to live in almost anywhere? Welcome back to Smart Home Hub. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 20-foot and 40-foot foldable container home, a modern prefab house that's gaining attention worldwide for its portability, fast installation, and surprisingly spacious design. Whether you're looking for a tiny home, vacation cabin, backyard office, guest house, rental property, or emergency housing solution, this expandable container home promises flexibility at an affordable price. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. At first glance, it looks like a standard shipping container. But don't let the exterior fool you. Once unfolded, the double-wing design dramatically expands the interior living space, transforming a compact transport unit into a comfortable modern home. This clever engineering allows the home to be transported efficiently while maximizing usable space after installation. It's a practical solution for people who need mobility without sacrificing comfort. The structure combines several durable materials, including reinforced steel container frame, sandwich insulated wall panels, wooden interior components, weather-resistant exterior finishes. This combination is designed to provide structural strength while helping with thermal insulation and everyday comfort. The insulated sandwich panels can help reduce heat transfer, making the home more comfortable in different climates, although overall performance will depend on the exact insulation specification and local weather conditions. The steel frame also provides excellent rigidity for long-term use. One of the biggest selling points is the expandable double-wing design. Instead of arriving as a fully built house, the side walls fold outward to dramatically increase interior space. Compared to a traditional container home, this creates a much more open layout with larger living areas. The folding system also reduces transportation costs because the unit occupies less space during shipping. Installation is significantly faster than conventional construction, though the exact setup time depends on site preparation, equipment, and installer experience. The manufacturer offers multiple configurations. You'll commonly find 20-foot model, 30-foot model, 40-foot model. Larger models naturally provide more usable floor area, making them suitable for families or commercial applications. Depending on the configuration, layouts may include living room, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, office space, storage. Some suppliers also offer customized floor plans and finishes. One of the biggest surprises is how modern these homes can feel. Large windows bring in natural light. High ceilings create a more open atmosphere. The clean lines and minimalist design give the interior a contemporary appearance. Depending on the supplier, buyers may be able to customize flooring, wall finishes, doors, windows, kitchen layout, bathroom fixtures, electrical systems, lighting, air conditioning, solar options. Always confirm which features are included in the package before purchasing, as specifications can vary. Unlike traditional homes, these container houses are designed to be transported. That opens up many possibilities. Perfect for vacation homes, farmhouses, construction site offices, remote workspaces, tiny home living, rental cabins, guest houses, disaster relief housing, temporary accommodation, camping resorts, ecotourism projects. This flexibility is one of the biggest reasons container homes have become so popular around the world. Compared with building a conventional house, installation is much quicker. Once the site has been properly prepared with a suitable foundation and local utility connections, the home can be unfolded and assembled in a relatively short time by experienced installers. Keep in mind that installation requirements vary depending on local regulations and the chosen configuration. You may still need permits, utility hookups, and professional assistance. The insulated wall panels can contribute to improved thermal performance. Many owners also choose to add solar panels, energy-efficient windows, LED lighting, mini-split air conditioning, rainwater collection, smart home systems. These upgrades can improve energy efficiency and reduce operating costs over time. This container home is ideal for tiny home enthusiasts, vacation property owners, campsite operators, small business offices, eco-living projects, guest accommodations, emergency housing, construction companies, classroom expansions, pop-up cafes, retail kiosks, Airbnb investors. Its versatility makes it suitable for both residential and commercial applications. Pros: modern, expandable design, portable and transport-friendly, fast installation compared with traditional construction, durable steel frame, insulated sandwich panel walls, multiple size options, customizable layouts, contemporary appearance, suitable for residential and commercial use, lower site disruption than conventional builds. Cons: like any prefab home, there are a few things to consider. Site preparation, permits, and utility connections are typically separate requirements. Interior finishes and included features vary between suppliers. Shipping costs can differ depending on your location. Always verify local building codes and regulations before making a purchase. So, is the 20-foot to 40-foot foldable container home worth considering? If you're looking for a flexible, modern, and portable housing solution, it offers an exciting alternative to traditional construction. Its expandable design, durable materials, customizable options, and wide range of possible uses make it appealing for homeowners, investors, businesses, and anyone interested in compact modern living. As always, review the exact specifications, included features, warranty, shipping arrangements, and local building requirements before placing an order. Thanks for watching another review from Smart Home Hub Review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of smart homes, innovative construction, home technology, and the latest products from around the world. Now, we'd love to hear from you. If you owned a foldable container home, how would you use it? Tiny home? Vacation cabin? Home office? Airbnb rental? Coffee shop? Studio? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Smart Home Hub review.